Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your Xbox profile, region, and time zone match the code's intended country because mismatches block redemption. Next, inspect the 25-character code carefully for common misreads like O versus 0 or I versus 1. Type slowly. Then sign into the exact Xbox account you want the content on, not a temporary or child account. Once done, navigate to Store Redeem or press the menu key and pick Redeem to enter the code. If the console rejects the code, open a browser and try redeeming at Xbox. com/redeem while signed into the same Microsoft account because the web path sometimes bypasses console validation quirks. Also check billing details. Some codes require a valid payment method for taxes or subscriptions, so update the billing address to match the account region. Additionally, confirm the code isn't for a pre-order, expired, or region locked. These specifics often explain seemingly random failures. Finish by power cycling your Xbox. Perform a full shutdown for 10 seconds, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart, because cached validation errors can vanish after a hard reboot. If the code still fails, gather proof of purchase and contact Microsoft support. Provide the code, receipt, and account email to speed resolution. One last troubleshooting tip. Attempt redeeming on a different device or a trusted friend's console to determine whether the problem is account, console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.